Hello there, this is Derek again, and today I'm about to show you how you can get external traffic to your YouTube videos. There are so many people on YouTube, but you can still make your videos reach them by sharing the videos to them through WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, or any platform you can find yourself. And then again, you can create blogs so that you'll be able to embed the videos in them when you create them. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do these, and you can also learn from them so that you'll be able to generate external views on your videos. So sharing your videos externally actually helps you to boost your video when you post them on YouTube. In the first 24 hours when you post a video on YouTube, YouTube actually watches how the video will perform in the first 24 hours before they try to suggest them to people or make them appear in people's search engines. So if you post a video right away on YouTube, they wouldn't suggest it to people right away when they search them, but maybe when people tend to hit the video, when they see them externally, it will just give the YouTube a notification that this video is performing and it's going to be cool, people are liking it, before they try suggesting it to people. Because you can try it out, maybe you post a video on YouTube for over years and it wouldn't be performing. You will see maybe 3 views or 2 views because no one has been able to reach it. So let's go to my channel and then we see how I had external traffic on my video. So I'm going to go to my analytics, I'm there already, and then I go to a video which is really performing on my channel, and then we see how things are going on over there. So the video has been able to drive 5,660 views with 920 watch hours with 202 subscribers. So you can check it out. This is how the video looks like. So we're going to go to reach and we see the traffic sources. So you see YouTube search is the number 1, external is number 2. So let's go to external sources and then we see how my video had external traffic. So Google search is number 1, and then WhatsApp, and then Twitter, Facebook, and then Facebook Messenger. So the reason why I'm seeing Google search as to be number 1 is probably because my video is ranked number 1 on YouTube per this keyword, and then it's ranked number 1 on Google too. So that is why it's getting external traffic there, because if people search for a video related to something like this, or search a term related to something like this, my video is going to pop up first. Okay, so with WhatsApp too, I actually shared my video to people on WhatsApp the day I posted it, on Twitter, on Facebook Messenger, on Facebook, Instagram, Google. The reason why I'm having Google here too is maybe the way I shared it to my blog, and probably Google just got it to people, making them know, this video is here, and then you can search for it too. So this is my blog actually. So you can see the traffic I had from there, 2 views, and then this is, I changed the domain, so this is the new domain I'm using now. So I had 3 views too from here, Instagram and Telegram too. So you can be sharing your videos to people when you create them in it the first day you post them on YouTube, and it's gonna help your channel. So let's go to the first day I posted this video, and then we see how many views I had when I posted it, sorry. So we go to 365. So I posted a video on 12 March, and the first day I had 89 views. So I actually shared it to people on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and then they were compelled to just hit it. So it took my video about a week, and then it started moving. So you see, I posted it on the 12th, and then on the 19th, I started getting traffic, which was very cool, and it started moving. You see, so YouTube would actually suggest it to people when they see the video is performing. Because I have a video which I posted 1st January, and I'm still having 50 views. I posted this 12 March, and I have about 56,000 views. So you see how it works. So, and that video, I didn't share it to anyone. I just posted it and it was on the channel, me expecting some magic to happen. If it don't work, it's not going to work for you. So you have to put in some bit of external pressure, maybe sharing it externally, and then it's going to help you. So I'm going to show you how I did those things, and probably maybe how you can embed a video on your blog. Just creating a blog is very cool. You can just go to blogger.com. That is what I use, and then you'll be able to get a blog which maybe you'll be telling people stuff you post on your YouTube channel, and then they will be compelled to just watch it and then look at it and then know how things are going. So this is how it looks like, and then you just sign in with your Gmail account because it's owned by Google too.
So it's very cool using blogger.com. I think that has also helped my channel to move a bit far. So let me close it and then go to my blog, and then you see the number of views I'm getting a day. So if I embed a video over there, how it will be working for me. So this is my stats, and today I'm getting 3,600 views. Yesterday I had 4,402 views. This month already, that is June, just 2 days, I have 8,000 views. Last month I have 170,000 views. So you can see how it's working for me over there. So when I go to the blog right now, let's wait for it to load, and then you see the videos I have embedded in there. So you see this video, I created it not long ago, about 3 days ago, and I've embedded it here, right? So you can see it here. So let's go to my YouTube channel, and then we check on the video, and you can see I'm getting traffic from the external sources rather than from just YouTube. My video is getting external traffic more than getting from YouTube. So let's check it out. So we go there, and then where is it? We go to reach. We can see I'm getting external traffic for the last 48 hours I posted. I'm getting external traffic source. WhatsApp, you see first, it hasn't recorded the other one, so you can see whatsapp.com, meaning I shared it to WhatsApp. People are clicking from WhatsApp to watch it. YouTube search and then browse features. So YouTube is actually right now making people know that the video, people are clicking on the video and they want to watch it, because when I posted a video, people were not watching it from, how do you call it, the browse features. They were watching externally. So you can see last 48 hours, you see external traffic here. So it really works when you try sharing your videos externally. You can get views from other angles that will help your channel. So I want to urge you out to just follow this so that you'll be able to get views from other angles to help your channel. Show you how I share my videos to my WhatsApp groups and then my Telegram group. So I click on YouTube like this, and then go to YouTube, and then probably click on this video, because maybe that is what I want. Okay, let's click on this video. That is what I want to share. I click on this. I've already shared the video. I can copy the link and then click on it again, and then share, and then click on my WhatsApp, and then go to the WhatsApp page, and okay, there is a group related to it. I put it here, I wait for it to load, and then I share. You get it? So afterwards, someone can just view a video of mine from this group. Let's check the number of people on this group. In this group, I see that is 226 participants. So you see there are a lot of people who are going to get access to the video right away. So you can add people, you can create a group and then add people, tell them this is what you are going to see, and they would like it. And then I also go to Telegram and click on this, paste it here, and then I post it. So you see it's there. So people are going to see it and they will like it, and they will just come to the video, they tap on it, and then it will just play directly. So if I hit on it like this, I click on it like this, it's just going to play directly, and then I'm just going to get the traffic from here to my YouTube channel, you see. So it's going to play beneath here, and that is how it works. So you see, I'll just close it, and then I go back. I can choose to share it to anywhere I want to share it. I can choose to take it to Instagram and then share it to people, or wherever you want to share it. So you can choose to go to the video again and then try to share it to people on Twitter by telling them, yo, I have a video, and then you can check it out, because it's gonna help you. So you go, and then maybe you go to your handle, your page, and then you try to tag a lot of people, as many as you can, so that they'll be able to see your video and then check it out. So you tag them, you be like this. Afterwards, you just add, and anyone you feel like you want to reach, you tag them, and then you ask them to just retweet after they just see the video. So if they are cool with it, they'll just retweet it, and then people will just start hitting it. Are you getting it? So you finish, and then maybe you come back to the video like this, and then you'll be like, kindly retweet. You type it here, kindly retweet, and then you send it. So after you do this, they will retweet it. People who will see this will retweet it, and then there are a lot of people who are going to see this video. So when they feel like they like this video, they'll just click on it, and then it will take them to your YouTube channel, and they'll start watching. So I want to urge you out to just try this out. It's going to work. Starting a YouTube channel is not easy. It's not a silver platter. So you need to work hard before you get there. So don't worry, try it out, and it's going to work for you.
I hope this video is going to solve problems, and then it's going to make your YouTube channel grow like mine has started growing. So if you want to know a lot of strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to anyone who want to grow on YouTube too, and then we'll catch you in the next one.